All right, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $121.47 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, I had an overage money maker of $17.15. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of June 9th to June 15th, or June 8th to June 14th, if you live up north out of the state of Florida. And I'm going to be trying to do this every week. Today's Thursday on the first day of the sale. I'm going to try to upload a video. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. And also, please hit the like button if you like this video or you like some of these deals, because that really helps my channel out a lot. So let's get right into the 15 or so deals I did this week, and some of these deals I did before. And oops, oh man, the voice talent is definitely not there for your Britney Spears. But anyways, getting paid at Publix is here. So let's get right into the 15 so deal. As I said, I did this deal last week. These Band-Aid brand. These are the non-stick pads. They are $1.99. So for two of them, $3.98 spent. And it came back. So there's an extra savings coupon for $3 off of two. It was last week, and this week again, it's back in the extra savings book. There's a 75-cent manufacturer printable coupon. So, and there's also a Publix digital coupon for 75 cents off. So the reason I'm getting these is because you're going to get paid 52 cents. So that's why I got those. All right, keep going. I did this deal before and I did it again. The Always brand discreet. You got to get the number 330 count pads, the light. So hopefully your store has them. Not every store has them. They're $5.99 with tax. For two of them cost $12.88. There's a $5 off of two manufacturer coupon from the PG of June. So hand them that first. And the way you do this, then at the end, put in your Publix digital coupon, and it's kind of a glitch where it'll take that off as well. A $5 off of two Publix digital coupon and a $5 off of two manufacturer coupon. It takes them both off. Submit it to Stocking Spree. You get about another $2.40 to the good. So making that only 48 cents for those two pads, which is really good. All right, Good Humor Viennetta. So check your fetch, because this is like a 1 or 2 day deal, and it's for a completely free Good Humor ice cream. So just buy it and then submit it to fetch, and it gives you 100% back. But as I said, check your fetch. I'm not sure if you still have that one, but check your fetch. All right, Poise ultra thin pad. You got to get the ultra thin pads here, 18 count. And these are regular price, $6.99. So for two of them, with the tax comes to $15.03, and there is a extra savings store coupon, $5 off of two. So use one of those. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source June 5th last Sunday. So that takes $5 more off, and then submit it to fetch for 2,000 points on these ultra thin pads. So spending $15.03 with the tax, getting 5 off, and 2 back from fetch, making that only $3.03 for both of those. And once again, I was always working up to something. I was working up to my combination coupon, 75 cents. $75 spent, you get $10 off, and I was way over $75 here. And for some of you, write me a comment if you want this coupon. I'll see if I can get it to you. So in the comment section, write a comment. And don't get mad at me if you can't do this deal. Basically, you have to have a Sprouts near a Publix near a Sprouts, whatever, and your Publix has to accept them as a competitor coupon, and they will honor that coupon. So they did that for me, which is good. As I said, don't get mad at me. I'm just showing you what I did this week. All right, you buy kotex. These are regularly $2.88, so for two of them, $5.76. There's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off. Ibotta has $1 back on, I think, a limit of 5, but I got two of them. So 2 more back from Ibotta, and then Fetch has 1,000 points on 2 of them. I wish there was another manufacturer coupon. Let me know if there is for those, because I spent $1.76 for both of those. All right, silk product. These are the silk almond milk or dairy-free yogurt. As you can see, I got the limit here. I got the limit is 8. So, I mean, you can buy as many as you want, but you can only use 8 coupons. So these are regular $1.99. So for 8 of them would cost you $15.92. However, they're on sale for $1. So for 8 of them cost $8. I used 8 of these, $1 off of any silk product. I got the link to print that below. Basically, you just got to sign up, and they send you that. And usually, they only allow you to print 2 usually, but this one you just keep printing it. So that's kind of a secret, but I just kept printing and printing. I didn't give up after 2, and I was able to print 8. They all got different numbers, pin numbers or whatever, so I was able to use 8 of those, and I was able to get 8 free silk. Alright, keep it rolling here. Let's see what we got next. Notmilk. Notmilk. So it's not milk, it's plant-based milk. It's regular price $4.99. So I got just one of them for $4.99, and I want you to join this Social Nature. You don't have to, but I joined a Social Nature, and they send you these free product coupons every once in a while, and you're supposed to share your, you just write a little feedback on the product. So they also sent me a buy one get one free, as you can see, but I used the free product, and there's also a Bada rebate for $1 back, so made that $1 money maker on those. Alright, Blue Bunny loaded chocolate. Man, these look good here. Blue Bunny loaded Sunday here. So regular price $2.79. So for 2 of them with the tax, $6. There's a manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link to print that below, as well as a detailed breakdown, as you know if you watched my videos before. So you print that, even has my name on there. So print that, and you use 2 of those, print 2 of those. And there's also a checkout 51 rebate for 65 cents back. So $6 spent with the tax, and 2 of those, then make $1.50 off. Checkout 51 has 65 cents off. You get 2 of those, so it's $1.30 back. And then you got either My Points or Swag Bucks, gives you around $4. My Points gives you a little bit more, about $4.15 back. So made that a 95-cent overage for both of those. And for the My Points, it did not go in right away, but I submitted a complaint or a review or whatever you call it, and they quickly, within an hour, credited me, so that was good. All right, Ready Sports Drinks. These are regular price, $2 each. So with the tax for 2 of them, $4.30. There is a Publix digital coupon for $1 off of 2. So clip that. My take on the Publix digital coupon: clip them all. Clip all of them. I got like 320 of them clipped. So clip them all, because sometimes they go away. So I always clip them all. Yes, it does take a little bit of time, but clip them all. So I think that's a new one, so you should have that one in there. And then there is $1 off of 2 checkout 51 rebates, so I had one of those. And there is 2 50-cents off of Bada rebates, so spending $4.30, $1 back from the Publix digital coupon, $1 from checkout 51, $1 from a Bada, gives you spending only $1.30 for those. All right, Stonyfield Organic Kids. So these are regularly $4.89. So for 2 of them would cost you $9.78. However, the BOGO this week, so you get 2 of them for $4.79. That's a great deal. There is a manufacturer printable coupon for 75 cents each one. I do not have that on the table, but 75 cents off. I got the link to print it below, as you know. And Bada has $1 back on each box. So $4.89 spent, $1.50 credit from the manufacturer printable coupon, and $2 back from a Bada. Gives you only $1.89 spent, and once again I was working up to that 75 to get my 10 off of my total, so that was good. All right, keep going, keep rolling. Field Roast. This was last week. They had the sausage and the produce sausages, and they were in the produce section. This was also in the produce section. The cheese in the produce section. So plant-based. So, hey, a plant is produce. So here we go. So Field Roast. So these are regularly $5.49. So for 2 of them would cost you $10.98. However, the BOGO, you get 2 of them for $5.49. I don't have the printable. There is a manufacturer printable for $1 off. I don't have it on the table, but I've got the link to print it below. So use 2 of those. And then Bada has $1.25 back on each one. So you use 2 of those. That's $2.50 back. And then Bada has a Field Roast bonus. You'll get that if you did the one from last week, so that's another 50 cents, making that only 49 cents for this guy. All right, Flipz peanut butter, stuffed peanut butter filled pretzels. look pretty good. So these are regularly $3.99. So for two of them, $7.98. They're BOGO, so you get two of them for $3.99. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source May 22nd for 75 cents off. Use two of those, it's $1.50 off. Ibotta has $1 back on each bag, so that's $2 more to the good. So making that only 49 cents for both of those. All right, Earwick, but you gotta make sure it scans in Ibotta. You gotta get the peanut butter one. That was the one that scanned for me. All right, Earwick, this was just $1.99 with tax, $2.15. The Publix digital coupon for a free one, so I still had that in there. I figured I'd use it to help me get up to my $75. So that was completely free. You pay the tax, so that was only 16 cents. And as I said, with the Publix digital coupons, clip them all so they don't go away. All right, Rolaids. I mean, who wouldn't want more coupons? All right, Rolaids here. These are not at every store, but I was able to find them. $4.99 for this, no tax. And there's a $2 manufacturer printable coupon. Got the link to print that, or you can use the manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source June 5th, last Sunday. So that took $2 off. Coupons.com has the rebate for $2 off. So I think if you're going to just do this deal and try to submit to coupons.com, you might have trouble. But when you're getting so much stuff, use your best judgment. But I submitted to coupons.com and I got $2 back on that. All right, Lightlife Burger. I did this deal last week, did it again. So $2 digital coupon, it's rated $5.99. $2 digital coupon came back in Ibotta, $2 from Ibotta, and then there was a Lightlife bonus for $1. So that made that only 99 cents for that. And once again, helped me build up. All right, a couple other things that really helped me here. This was kind of crazy, and you might not be able to do it, but whatever. Maybe you can, but Centrum, I had these Centrum minis I bought. They're not on the table because, there they are, Centrum minis. I bought them, they were $4.99. And then I had this manufacturer coupon for $4 off. Right there, I used two of them. Digital coupon came off of those. Two of them, one for Caltrate and one for Centrum. So that was another $4 off and $2 off. So basically, I mean, I bought two of them for $4.99. That was $9.98. I used two of those manufacturer printable coupons. That took $8 off. Then there's digital coupon, took $4 off. Another digital coupon took $2 off. And then I go to look at them, and they're expired. So I returned them, and they gave me $9.98 back. But then this is the first time, well, it's happened maybe one other time, and I don't know if they're supposed to do it or not because coupons are like money to them. But they refunded. They saw I used a coupon, and they're like, well, you used a coupon, so we're going to not credit the coupon there. So basically, it was a $10 overage on those Centrums that aren't on the table. And also the same thing happened on the Splendid Diabetic Shake. Now, these were a good deal. So these are regularly $9.99. There's a $4 off from the save. I don't know which date it was, but you can get these. They're $4 off from the save, and then $3 back from Ibotta, making that only $2.99. So it's like almost more than 70% off. So pretty good deal. And once again, I'm scanning it in Ibotta, and I look, and then it expired. This is another one that I had, laying around, so I got it up here on the table just to show it's a good deal. But once again, they refunded the let's see, everything here. They refunded that as well. So, and they also refunded the Notmilk because it was expired May 22nd. But with any of these, they said, hey, go get another one that's not expired. And there was no other one of these. They were all expired. There was no other one of the Centrum minis because they were on clearance. There was another one, and of course it's still expired, but I don't care. I'm going to drink it anyway, so I'm going to take the risk there. So anyways, this was refunded as well, and I guess they didn't see that I used a digital coupon for it, and Ibotta or whatever, so they refunded me $9.99, making that a $7 overage on that, and a $10 overage with this guy, making me have a $17.15 overage this week. So don't get mad at me if you can't do that kind of deal, but the more you do couponing like this, the more you'll see kind of, oh, this is expired. Well, I can return it. And usually, the coupon is like money to them. Usually they won't but they did in this case. But regardless, that's just telling you what I did this week. So once again, $121 plus worth of goods, and all said and done, I had a $17.15 overage. So once again, please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here. Please hit the like button, and everybody enjoy their couponing.